Hey, I just wanted to drop a quick tutorial on the quick start form for you. And I saw you search for a property, or maybe just added the property into this little button here, add property form. But if you search for just this address here, it's not going to hit because it's going to look for the city and the state because it's in a US-wide database. So what you can do is just open a new tab and just paste that address into Google or any search engine. You should get like a directions or a full address. So you can go back to the quick start form and you paste that in. And if you just clean it up a little bit, put a comma in between the state or the city and just hit search. NewSeptic will look in the database. It found it. You can click yes, change any of this info here, click enter soil conditions. You can also change any of this default soil condition information like bedrooms, etc. Or you can go and enter the full soil report. Oftentimes I like to just click this get options for treatment if I'm just kind of checking out a parcel. So what I'll do is I'll just go to the NewSeptic mapping application by clicking on that button. And at this point, what I would do is I'll usually be referencing some soil report from a soil evaluator. So they usually include a map with it. So I'll check off the aerial image and like say that this is the actual parcel here and the soil test was conducted down here. I'll take the NewSeptic just generates a generic location for the soil test one, and it pops it on the map. So sometimes that's not on the right parcel. So what you can do is click on that once, and then click again and hold it and drag it, and then drop it wherever you want it. So at this point, NewSeptic determines like you're either going to update the GPS for that soil test, or you're going to update the parcel and the GPS. So if you wanted to change the parcel, just click this update GPS and parcel. And what NewSeptic will do is find that parcel and then give you an option to add it to your existing one or add it and remove the old one. So if you want to remove the old one, add the new one, just click that button and NewSeptic will get you set up right here for this being your project. So you can save it at that point and then come back to it at any time. So it's in the database here, right there, and you can enter the soil conditions, navigate back to the designs page whenever you want. And also these tabs here work where you can go to the soil report or the property information. So that is a quick way to, get a project started in NewSeptic, and I just wanted to show you that real quick. Thanks.